as you can see, negative 1893, positive 90 is another planetary, I don't know what to call it, it's not even an outpost, it's a place where, you know, you can't actually dock there, but you can land and drive your SRV around and stuff, but I gotta be careful because it's 2.2 Gs, but it's just another, you know, scan a data point. So this tip-off stuff is maybe not so good. Now this is a low security plus, so medium population, low security. I'm gonna do it just to see if it's just, okay, here's some money, or if you actually get something other than money. Because if it's just money, I mean, you can do that anywhere, anytime, any kind of base like this. So there's really no reason to have a tip-off mission telling you to do this, unless, I guess, you didn't know that you could do that, and then this tip-off mission shows you can do that, but I would think that most people know that these little teeny tiny planetary outposts that you can't actually dock at have stuff that you can scan and it gives you a little bit of money, which I've read is either already been nerfed or is in the process of being nerfed. That green light that you see there in the middle of the screen is the core data beacon. If you scan that, it used to give you like 600,000 or 700,000. I believe that's being nerfed to be like 6,000 or 7,000. So, not saying which way is right or wrong, but it's just that's what they've been doing. So I'm gonna see. I'm just gonna go in there and see. I'm gonna land, and then see what happens when I scan this point. Just for kicks. Full up thrust. Nothing happening. Whew. Okay, I had full up thrust that whole time I was falling because I tapped the down thrust, so gotta be careful on these higher G planets. Thankfully it's only 2.2 and I didn't pancake, but you get up into the 4, 5, 6 G and you will pancake if you do that and die.
High gravity warning.
Get rid of my ship here. There we go. They changed this menu. Just my ship. So let's see, what did this thing actually say? Go down there, you need to navigate. Once you're there, you need an encryption key. The data core. So I'm guessing that's at data point with the green light up, pointing up in the air, because that's normally the central data core or whatever that gives you money for scanning it by itself. So I'm gonna go try to do that, I guess. And if that doesn't do it, I'm not sure what else I need to scan. But you can see, since this is low security, there's no red fence that you have to worry about crossing that sets off the whole base against you. That's only for high security. I think there's some high pop medium security bases that do have red fences, so you just gotta look around once you get there. But in general, medium security and low security don't have the red fence in general. So I'm just looking at my ground radar to make sure I don't see one pop up. And I don't see the picket fence unless that's the picket fence there, or if those are turrets. Okay, no red fence so far. There might be one around the data core, we'll see. if I can do this on the first try.
Chassis safety compromised.
That's some high G there. Try it one more time before I start looking for ramps. Nope, not gonna happen. This might be non-dual because of the high G. It's like the same slope. Because they got these red security barriers that normally you can hop and get around, but on a high G plant like this, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. So like this fence right here, normally, you know, you bump into it, obviously you can't get through it, but normally you can jump around them. But this is a 2.2 G planet. I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Might be able to do it here, not sure about the other fence. What the? What's going on here? Am I hitting an invisible wall? I think the other option you have is you can go to the security beacon station data point thing and scan and hack that, but then the base security gets ticked off at you. I prefer to just jump around them. That way you don't piss off security. Oh, come on. Alright, let's see what happens when I scan this thing. Public, so I don't have to worry.
Alert! All data point links established.
Okay, so I got a core data package. Like I said, that's going to be nerfed. 700,000, that's supposed to be nerfed to like 7,000 in the 2203 patch. It didn't do anything for the tip-off. Or maybe that's it. It tells you where one of these places is with a data core. I don't know. I don't know what's the point of lucky for you. I've taken the liberty of adding that to your ship's system. Well, I didn't need that. I could have done this by myself without this tip-off mission. Maybe the encryption key, don't know. Maybe the encryption key turns off security? Let's go see. See if I can find, well, let's not jump down yet. Let's see if I can find the security station. And maybe this key, no, defense turret. Maybe this key turns off security without pissing off the whole base like I was talking about. So let's see. Find it. Cargo transfer suite. Yeah. Active public. I don't know what this does. Logistics grid accessed. Okay. Don't know what that did. Nothing there. What? Pilots Federation promotion to elite. I've been combat and trade elite forever. And still, what the? Yeah, I don't know why that message came up. Like I said, I've been elite combat and trade for quite a while now, so I don't know why that. I don't know. Anyway, security beacon, security thing. I'm gonna search around for the security data point, and I'll start the video again when I get there.